Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a really useful skill, how to connect elements on your Wix website to a dataset using the data-driven Wix feature. If you've ever wanted to create a dynamic site that displays your products, images, or info directly from your CMS, then you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a collection and link it to display elements like galleries, making your site smarter, easier to update, and way more engaging. All right, let's get started. First up, head over to your Wix web design dashboard. You want to make sure you're in the editor for the site you want to work on. If you haven't used the CMS features much before, don't worry. Wix makes this pretty approachable once you know where to look. Now, in the editor, look for the CMS icon, usually found on the left sidebar. Go ahead and select it. This is the heart of your site's data management, where you control collections, which are basically spreadsheets of all the information your site will use. So next, let's actually create a new collection. Think of a collection as a bucket where all your product details, images, or other content will live. Once you click Create a Collection, Wix gives you the option to use a template, or for a little magic, you can create one with AI. Let's go with the AI option for this walkthrough. Click Create with AI. It's a feature designed to help you set up your collection in seconds, especially if you're not quite sure where to start. After you've done that, hit Next. Now, you'll be prompted to describe what kinds of products or items you want your collection to manage. Let's say you're planning to showcase handmade candles. Just type in something like handmade candles with images, descriptions, and prices. The AI will use your description to structure the collection, creating fields for info like name, image, price, and more. This part might take a few moments as the system generates your collection, so hang tight. It's doing the heavy lifting for you. Once your collection is generated, you can close the CMS for now, but don't worry, we'll come back to it in just a second. Now, move over to a blank section on your site where you want these products to appear. It's time to add the design element that will actually display your data. Click the Add Elements button and scroll through until you find Gallery. Galleries are perfect for showing off multiple images or items in a visually appealing way. Pick a gallery template that fits your style. There are lots to choose from, whether you want a grid, slider, or something more creative. Click to add the gallery to your page. Here's where the magic happens. Select the gallery you just placed and look for the Connect to CMS button. Usually it'll appear as a little database icon or in the floating menu. Click it. Now, you'll want to add what's called a dataset. A dataset is like a bridge between your gallery and the collection you just made. When prompted, select Add a Dataset, then choose the collection you created earlier. Hit Create. Last but not least, we need to tell the gallery which field to use for the images. In the Data Bindings panel, look for the Image Source or similar option and link it to the image field in your collection. And that's really it. Your gallery now pulls data directly from your CMS collection. Whenever you update or add new products, your gallery will stay up to date. All right, you did it. Dynamic, data-driven content. It's a real game changer for any Wix site. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's another Wix feature you want to see covered. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more website building tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.